So, the last time we took a look at the Grand Hauler, I installed this aluminium front bumper with the light bezels and things, and as the look's changing and things are being added, I'm seeing potential of how it's going to be. So I've got a few plans for up the front because I want to drop it a bit. So for the meantime, what I've gone and done is I've ordered some of these RC 4-wheel drive, and they're the low rider, like low profile tyres for the 1.7 rims. They take off 50mm like either side of the tyre, so it's like a centimetre, so it should drop by half a centimetre, somewhere around there. So give it a more lower look. Now I'm unsure whether I'm actually going to like these, because if you take a look at the Grand Hauler anyway, if you can see around the arch, there's quite a gap in there, so it looks like it could be filled more. So putting the lowrider tyres on now, it's going to open up that gap, but I want to make it lower. Now the shocks in these do not make no difference whatsoever, they're not sprung, so you could remove them and your truck will still be as it is. That will not make a difference. Now, a friend of mine told me when he made a lowrider in the past, all he's done is just bent the springs and made them straight, and that dropped it. So I might go and do that at some point, depending on what I think of these tyres. Now if you look at the back, the wheels and tyres are nicely tucked under the rear arches, which I think the lowriders on the rear would look pretty cool. But you only get a pair in a pack, so I would need another 1, 2, 3, 4 packs just to do the rears, and then obviously I'm going to have to do the trailer, so that all matches. No, through the packet they feel good. Now it says these are an advanced X5 compound, so I'm guessing it's going to be like pretty tacky and pretty sticky, but for this, compound doesn't really bother me for this. Crawlers is a different thing. Yeah, you can feel straight away they are a nice compound. Now these do work with RC 4-wheel drive bead locks, because you can get 1.7 bead locks for these in various styles. So I've got inner foam inserts. A nice little tread pattern. See, I would have gone super singles. Now maybe if I straighten the springs out and slam it that way, I could still work with super singles. But we'll try these and have a see how they look. So it's an easy one. Be able to do this as it is without taking the wheels off. So just pop this tyre off the rim. Alright, so that's the tyre side by side. Okay, you see I've got like a centimetre gap now. Now I didn't realise they was actually as small as they look. Put that on top of there. Yeah, they're very low profile. So basically this outer ring on your stock Tamiya tyre to where your tread pattern is, I'm guessing this will be your tread pattern within that ring, because the outer one has disappeared. Let's get the other tyre off. I think I need to pick up a set of scale axle stands for these. So to fit them, it's just going to be the same way as you did the stock tyres. And the other side. We'll just remove those. Yes. If I decide to go with these, I am going to have to do the rears because it's like nose down. So that's the gap now between the floor. But if I could have this gap, then that'd be awesome. So that would require the bending of the springs. Just throw the body back on now and see what it looks like with the body on. Yeah, as you can see, there's a huge gap around. I don't know whether it'd be something that I'd need to come to terms to. I don't know if I like it. Now, this is the problem with not having model shops around anymore where you can like take stuff in. Could I just try that on? You have to buy it to try it. I really don't know. I don't think I like it. Might go with a bending the axle idea. Bending the spring. The advantage is though to this, because I'm upgrading everything. I've upgraded the axle. I've got new shock tops and all other stuff coming. So it'll kind of show bits of the chassis off, I guess, and the upgrades through the arches. But I can't let that distract me from how it looks really. Well, that's those tyres anyway. They're the RC 4-wheel drive lowrider tyres. Yeah, lowrider 1.7 commercial 114 semi-truck tyres. And they're that advanced X5 compound. But when you're running on carpet, it means nothing. I've also got, which I'll do in another video, some Kenworth emblems for the bonnet, and I have a proper Kenworth style alley grille, and also again some fancy little emblems, proper Kenworth badge. So that'll be another video. All the detailing parts and the cab detailing Kenworth parts, these will have to be done once the truck's painted, so we can look at them at another time. The grill I can do in another video shortly and get rid of this plastic one. But for now, that's all really. I just wanted to show you the difference between the Tamiya tyres and the lowrider tyres, which I don't think I'm too happy with. But I'll leave them on the truck for now and see if I can't grow a bit accustomed to them maybe. If not, I'll bend the leaf spring straight, and that way we can just drop it right to the floor. So, have fun with your builds. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like if you like the video, drop me a comment down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, then you don't miss of any next episodes and stuff. But for now, as I say, happy RC, have fun with your builds, take care, just have fun with it all, guys.